Welcome to the channel ProCoder. Welcome, developers, to the ultimate destination for innovation and creativity. I'm your friend, and you've just stepped into a world of endless possibilities right here at ProCoder. Are you a developer seeking to expand your horizons? Do you crave unique ideas to achieve your programming goals? You're in the right place. Here, we're all about empowering developers to reach new heights. From mastering the art of front-end development to diving deep into the world of Python programming, we've got you covered. Ready to take your front-end skills to the next level? Our tutorials and projects will help you create stunning and responsive user interfaces. Python's simplicity and readability make it a favorite among developers for web development, data analysis, artificial intelligence, and more. Are you looking for that aha moment? We constantly explore unique project ideas that ignite your creativity and set you on the path to building something remarkable. So, are you ready to unleash your inner developer genius? Subscribe now, click the notification bell, and let's embark on this exciting adventure together. With new videos dropping regularly, you'll always be at the forefront of innovation. Join us as we transform your dreams into reality. Thank you for joining us at ProCoder. I'm Ritesh, and I'm excited to be part of your journey. Together, we'll achieve great things. See you in the next video.